We're all in the office and we're just having fun, but our phone began to ring. From the admin office, a frazzled little bird is calling us to say,
I need your help!
Marketing, marketing. Regretfully they tell us there's a new program checklist and we really need marketing. We print, we cut, and laminate all day.
I just got here, I know I want to stay.
We design, we edit, and we Photoshop your face.
It's much harder than just to cut and paste.
We take pictures for you all to enjoy.
Can I go see the water polo boys? Yes?
No.
We table to new students and hope that we succeed.
I'm proud to be the new marketing lead. The lead! We're sad to go, we cannot tell a lie. We hope that you won't have to see us cry. It's been 3 years and I have so much pride.
We're done, farewell.
It was a crazy ride.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.